What if I told you that the used car you're about to buy is hiding a secret so expensive, it could bankrupt you? That the pristine exterior and that new car smell are nothing but a brilliant, expensive lie? I've seen it all. Flood cars from Hurricane Ian, rolled back odometers, and engines held together with hope and a prayer. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your car care nut. And today, we're not just talking about car care. We're performing emergency surgery on your wallet. This is the ultimate guide to avoiding used car scams. And stick around until the end, because I'm going to reveal the one single thing you must check that most people forget, and it's the secret I used to uncover a scam that would have cost a viewer over $10,000. Let's get one thing straight. Proper car care starts the second you lay eyes on a potential vehicle, long before you own it. Buying a used car is the single most important car care decision you will ever make. You can't maintain a lemon into a reliable vehicle. No amount of oil changes can fix a flooded ECU or a failing transmission that's been disguised. My goal today is to turn you from a potential victim into a forensic investigator. This isn't just about kicking tires. It's about smart, preventative car care for your bank account. We're going to go through my 5-point inspection system that will make you see any car in a whole new light. The 5-point anti-scam inspection. Grab a notepad. This is where we get into the nuts and bolts of expert car care evaluation. Point 1. The paperwork autopsy. Real car care pros know the story of a car is in its documents. You need to see the title. Is it clean or salvage? Rebuilt? A salvage title is a massive red flag. Then, get a vehicle history report. But don't just trust it blindly. I've seen reports miss major accidents. Cross-reference the VIN on the dashboard, the door jamb, and the engine bay. If they don't match, run away. This is foundational car care detective work. Point 2. The paint lie detector. Your eyes are your best tool for car care inspection. Look at the car in direct sunlight. Look for panels that are a slightly different color shade, or for orange peel texture that doesn't match the rest of the car. Run your finger along the edge of a panel. Is it rough? That's overspray, a sure sign of a cheap repaint after a crash. A magnet can help you find Bondo. It won't stick to thick body filler. Point 3. The interior dig. True car care is in the details nobody cleans. Pull the seatbelts all the way out. Look for dirt, silt, or water stains. That's a telltale sign of a flood car. Check the pedals and the driver's side floor mat for wear. Does it match the odometer? A car with 30,000 miles should have barely any wear on the gas pedal. Smell the interior deeply. Does it smell like mold, mildew, or an overpowering air freshener trying to hide something? Trust your nose. Point 4. The mechanical health check. This is where your car care knowledge pays off. Check the oil. Is it milky or frothy? That's a head gasket failure. Is it low? The owner didn't practice basic car care. Check the coolant in the overflow tank. It should be green, red, or orange, not a rusty brown. Start the car with the engine cold. Listen for knocking or ticking. Then, check the exhaust on a cold start. White smoke that smells sweet is coolant burning. Blue smoke is oil. Both are bad news. Point 5. The ultimate test drive. A test drive isn't just for seeing if you like the car. It's a moving car care inspection. Drive it onto a flat, quiet road and let go of the steering wheel for a second. Does it pull sharply? Frame damage. Listen for clunks over bumps. Worn suspension parts. Test the transmission by accelerating gently and then aggressively. Does it shift smoothly or jerk and slip? Remember that one thing I said most people forget? Here it is. You must get a PRE purchase inspection by an independent mechanic. This is the single greatest act of car care wisdom you can ever show. For $100 or $200, A mechanic you trust will put the car on a lift and find everything we might have missed. They'll see the leaky seals, the rusty frame, the replaced parts. It is the ultimate scam killer. If a seller refuses to let you do this, walk away. It is the best car care investment you will never make on the car itself, because it might just stop you from buying it. Now, all this talk about investing in a good car and smart car care leads me to an important point. The best way to avoid being desperate for a cheap, scammy car is to put yourself in a position of financial strength. The best car care tip for your life is to be able to afford the car you truly want and the proper maintenance it deserves. That's why I'm excited to talk about today's sponsor, NFX Trading. Let's be real, we all have a dream car in mind, but for many of us, it feels out of reach. What NFX Trading provides is education on crypto trading on the WAP platform. They're not promising you'll get rich overnight. That's not what real car care or real investing is about. It's about learning a skill. It's about understanding a modern financial market so you can potentially generate the income to not just buy your dream car, but to afford the premium car care it requires without ever worrying about the bill. They offer courses, and you can even pay with crypto. If you're ready to invest in yourself and build the financial freedom to drive the car you've always wanted, click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment to check out NFX Trading. So, to recap, be a detective, trust no one, verify everything, and always get that pre-purchase inspection. It's the ultimate form of car care. If this guide saved you from a massive financial mistake, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe. What's the worst used car experience you've ever had? Share your story in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And for more tips on how to maintain the car you end up buying, watch this next video on the car care habits you must do. Thanks for watching. Stay savvy, and remember, the best car care starts with a smart purchase.